Desman Engineering, known for machining big parts, but this is the big part. Mark, I'm absolutely amazed by this. Well, components, it's actually 3 components. Talk me through what's going on.
Well, we start by making a casting. What we do, we're a subcontract machining company, and what we specialise in is large parts, big castings. Our customer came to us a few months ago asking us to produce the biggest turbocharger that they've ever manufactured.
Did they have any issues for you?
Yeah, it were a lot of issues, but we're getting there.
Yeah.
We've currently got them in manufacture at the minute. First of all, what we did is 3D printed all the castings to see how we were going to manufacture them, what machines they was going to go on, just to give us an idea.
I say, when you say you 3D print, well, actually.
Yes.
So
3D printed it. So this is a velouté, we call it, for a turbocharger. We 3D print it to start off with, and then we figure out how we're going to machine it. I'm not telling you how we're going to machine it though.
No, sorry, we won't give any secrets away. But that's one of 3 components for this assembly.
Yes, correct.
And a turbocharger, just to clarify.
Yes, correct, yeah.
So you've worked out how you're going to machine it. No, don't give me any secrets away though. Logistical wise, you're geared up for some big parts, but this is the biggest part ever. Any issues on that side of things?
Capacity was an issue to start off with, but we've managed to get around it by new equipment, new machines. We've had to buy 3 new overhead cranes to lift them.
Okay, so in terms of investment, you're happy to invest to make sure you get the right products for the customer?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so you've gone through the 3D prototyping, you've worked out how you're going to machine it. We won't give any secrets away, just clarify. The casting comes in, I mean this one here, as an example, what size does that come out as a casting?
As a casting, the swing diameter on it is about 2.2 metres. It weighs, it's about 1.6 tonne. After we machine it, it probably goes down to about 1.4 tonne.
Right, so well, again, reiterate the big part there. So, well, big parts, because there's 3 of this assembly. So, first of all, you're turning it on the machines behind us or beside us?
So there's 2 ops turning, and then there's 2 ops on the milling machine.
Okay, first one on the 2 ops on the turning, the Toshibas, just clarify, what are they actually doing and how powerful, what size are these machines?
It's a vertical boring machine, 2.4 max metre swing. It's got drilling and milling capabilities as well. So first of all, we turn all the bores, all the diameters, and then we mill and drill top and bottom face basically.
Okay, and that's all done on the Toshiba. Then it's over to Toyota?
The Toyota FH100, that's a twin pallet, metre square pallet. Max weight that we can put on that's about 10 tonne. But yeah, that mills around the outside and that does the last operations for us.
Okay, so that's, again, just reiterate, and I'm going to say again, the big part. But I want to get a scale for the size of it. So you've got actually, well, I'll grab it here. Now, this is similar part, well, it's the same part, but what's this for?
This goes onto a truck, so a lorry, Scania, this is a...
Other trucks are available?
This is a turbocharger, or a velouté off a turbocharger for the truck.
Right. Okay, so I'm thinking trucks, big engines, so the size of this component, what's it going into?
Good question, Colin. We don't know, it could be marine, whatever.
Okay, so potentially a large ship.
Yes.
Absolutely, I mean obviously clues in the marine. But I'm thinking this needs to be relatively accurate. You've done these big parts, what sort of accuracy are you working to?
We still have to work to the same accuracy as the small parts. So the bore diameters, the profiles, they're all tied down to 2 thou, plus or minus a thou on some diameters.
Right, now I just want to clarify, 1 thou or 2 thou, what's that in microns and millimetres, just to clarify? Put you under pressure.
50 microns, 0.05 of a millimetre.
Right, so again, scaling up from this size turbo here, or what did you call it, sorry?
Velouté.
A velouté. It still has to be the same tolerances from that to this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got a massive CMM machine as well?
Yes, of course we have.
Okay. So that's it, and then you've got the 3 parts, all manufactured here, assembled here?
No, they're not assembled here. We just manufacture them, we pressure test them, inspect them, first article them, and then we ship them out to the customer, and they do all the building there.
Okay, so that make it sound relatively simple, but big parts, big castings, highly accurate. That's it. Desman Engineering, the big part.